Welcome to this comprehensive guide on EveryDollar budgeting, a simple and effective way to manage your finances. EveryDollar is a free budgeting tool that helps you track your income and expenses, making it easier to achieve your financial goals. To get started with EveryDollar budgeting, you need to create an account on their website or download the mobile app. Once you have created your account, you will be prompted to set up your budget by adding your income and expenses. This is the foundation of the EveryDollar budgeting system, as it allows you to see exactly where your money is going. The next step is to categorize your expenses into different groups, such as housing, transportation, and food. This helps you to identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending and allocate that money towards more important goals. EveryDollar provides preset categories to make this process easier, but you can also create custom categories that fit your specific needs. A key concept in EveryDollar budgeting is the 50-30-20 rule. This rule suggests that 50% of your income should go towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. This is a general guideline, and you may need to adjust the proportions based on your individual circumstances. To make the most of EveryDollar budgeting, it is essential to regularly track your expenses and stay on top of your budget. You can do this by logging into your account and updating your income and expenses on a regular basis. EveryDollar also offers a range of tools and resources to help you stay on track, including budgeting tips and financial education. One of the best practices in using EveryDollar is to set financial goals and work towards achieving them. This could be saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or building up your retirement savings. By setting specific goals and tracking your progress, you can stay motivated and focused on what you want to achieve. In conclusion, EveryDollar budgeting is a simple and effective way to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using the tools and resources provided by EveryDollar, you can create a budget that works for you and start building a stronger financial future.